We had a bumper crop of okra this year, and now we're going to save the seeds. We've already cleared out the field. It's now January, so everything's dead out there. And I wrapped them all up, hung them from the rafters in my garage, and they've been drying for several months. So let's go take them down and pull them apart. So these guys have definitely been in here a little bit too long. You can see there's some mold forming on them there. Basically, they got exposed to some winter rain. I left them on there just a tad too long. So they're a bit moldy, they're a bit grody looking. If you're lucky enough to pick them before the winter rain comes, they look like this at this point. This is what you're going for. Oh, see, they double as Christmas ornaments. It's fantastic, and they open right up, so you can see the seeds right in there. All we got to do is snip these bad boys off. Not a necessary step, but you know, they're all tangled. Get out of here, you bums. And I'm not going to get like little wimpy boys, you know. Needs to look good and tough. If they're properly dried, they look like this, which is so pretty on its own. And you can see it wants to open on its own. So if you're going to let them just dry out somewhere, make sure they're in a box, because sometimes the seeds will pop out on their own. This will happen naturally. They want to fall out. So make sure you're catching them, but look how easy it is now. They're just falling right out. Oh, yeah. So when you dry them right, really, really easy. Comes right apart. And then on and on you go. Oh, but if you get it just right, let's see if you can do it like this. Check this out. Oh, this is the best bit. And then you kind of feather them out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then you got a little octopus, see? So if you want to make art out of this, you can like get this wet again. And then like this will bend better. But there you go. See, now you got a little octopus man. yeah, something like that. And there we go. So I got a lot more to do, but this is the start of it. And then you're going to get some bric-a-brac in there, totally normal, but you do want to get it out of there, especially if there's some mold going on. So you can kind of swish it around. If it's windy out, you can blow on it. Ooh, carefully. But yeah, pick out all the bric-a-brac. Sometimes I sieve it, depending on the seed, like through any kind of sieve or filtering thing, you know, something with holes in it that allows the seed through, but not anything else. So we're looking for good round things. If it looks wrinkled or damaged or hairy or anything like that, toss it. You don't want any bad boys in there, because rotten apples spoil the barrel, I think it's the saying. Yeah. And the last thing to do is get yourself a seed envelope. You can just use a regular envelope. I use those for years. They're fine, but they're kind of big, and yeah, that's it really. But I got these on a website, you know, named after a rather large jungle. And these are good because they have this peelable sticky thing. Oh, yeah. So still only single use. You can get the kind with the cool like wire, and then you like wrap it around there. That would be fun too. For reusability, I don't know. Not sure you want to reuse seed packets. And then you just got to label it. I think the important things is what it is, Okra, right? And then when it is. So this is January. Spell it Jan-U-R-E. 2026. Happy New Year. And I like to put where it came from, because sometimes I gather seeds. Just like that. Pop them in. Easy peasy. Oh, that's always the tricky bit, huh? It's like, can we do it? Oh, look at that. Whoa, jeez. That actually worked. Wow. Oh, camera. Wait. Oh. So I might even want like, I'm gonna need either a lot of these or maybe a bigger one. Maybe I want to use a regular envelope, but then for this guy, peel and stick. Oh yeah. Hot tip, make sure to write on it first and then put it inside, because otherwise your pen will puncture it and then you'll have holes in your seed packet. That's a pro tip for you. Look at that. Store this in a cool, dry place where the temperature doesn't change a lot, and it's not going to ever get wet at all, even a little bit. Inside would be great. In a cupboard in the back, out of the way. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's plant in spring. And that's it, really. It's super simple. Cut them, hang them upside down to dry. Wait till they start to crack on the outside, pull them apart, package them up, keep them in a cool, dry place, and you are ready for the next growing season. Thanks for watching.